Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming carrier support and having the QR or activation code at hand. This saves back and forth later. Once done, connect the iPhone 17 Pro to a stable Wi-Fi network and update iOS if needed so eSIM menus are current. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add eSIM to start scanning or enter details manually. Make sure your physical SIM stays active until eSIM is fully provisioned to avoid losing service. After you scan the QR or paste the SMDP Plus activation code, you'll see the new eSIM profile appear. Tap to activate. You can name the line for quick identification and set which line is used for cellular data and which for voice. Once activated, go to Cellular Plans to assign iMessage and FaceTime or change primary data. These choices determine billing and network preference, so choose based on cost and signal where you use the phone most. Finish by restarting the iPhone to ensure settings take hold, then make a call, send a text, and browse to confirm data. If service fails, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and recheck the eSIM profile status. Sometimes reactivating the profile resolves provisioning delays. If problems persist, note the eSIM IXID and activation error, then call your carrier support. They can push provisioning or reissue the activation code. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.